Utility closet fold storage solutions for small homes let you consolidate ironing, cleaning, laundry, and tool storage into a single compact space. Design the closet so a fold-down ironing board mounts on the door or rear wall with a magnetic or mechanical catch that holds it flat when stowed and locks securely when opened. Choose a medium-density fiber board or metal board with a heat-resistant cover and a slim iron rest that tucks away. Add vertical holders on one side for mops, brooms, and dustpans, using clipped brackets spaced to prevent handles from rubbing and to keep heads off the floor. Measure handle diameters and place clips at shoulder height for easy access. Install a pull-out vacuum docking slide that supports the cleaner upright and routes the cord behind a rear channel so the unit slides fully in without pinching the cable. Include a small outlet inside the closet to allow onboard charging for cordless models. Fit 1 or 2 roll-out laundry hamper drawers beneath the ironing board area with ventilated fronts and soft close slides to prevent slamming. Size them to accept standard laundry bags so they can be lifted out for transport. Integrate a shallow shelf at eye level for detergent and sprays with a shallow spill tray and raised lip to contain leaks and make cleanup simple. Label zones for each product type to avoid cross-contamination. Finally, add slim recycling bins under the hampers or on a lower pull-out so recyclables and trash stay separated and accessible without taking extra floor space. People often cram too much in and block the fold-down board, so keep the ironing zone clear by assigning dedicated vertical space and using narrow storage for tools. If something blocks the swing, relocate it to the opposite wall or a higher shelf. A second common issue is cords getting pinched when sliding units close, which causes wear and safety hazards. Route cords through a protected channel and use a small interior outlet to eliminate external cabling. Third, moisture buildup from damp mops or wet laundry can cause mildew and odors. Prevent this by keeping vents or a small louvered door opening, using ventilated hamper fronts, and wiping the spill tray regularly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like these, so we help people find local professionals to build or install custom closet systems. We also host a discussion community where our members share plans, measurements, and real-world tips so contractors can find work and homeowners can learn from peers.